Welcome to How's It Kohala, and we're here live streaming part 2 at Roots Skatepark. Cement is being poured, quite a bit being done since part 1. Pretty amazing actually, considering the weather. There's a lot of people in the other section watching, and of course using section 1. A lot of work being done. And we have skateboarders going by. Got some other vantage points. Perfect timing. How's it going?
Super good.
A lot has been done since we were here at
Since we spoke last,
8 o'clock or so.
2 trucks. We're on our 3rd truck.
3rd truck.
You want to walk around? Let's have a
Sure, sure. Let's follow Richie where we're going here, see what's going on.
ledge.
Try to speak a little louder.
This is our ledge. It's called a manual pad.
Manual pad, okay.
And on the right, you'll see it's a transitional entry. So this is all custom artwork.
So this is, I mean, you have an architect to design all this stuff. I mean, this isn't like you just put it together today.
Yeah, so our architect is Brian Sandlin.
Okay.
All this design work is credited to Brian Sandlin. Everybody giving the feedback and input to make it all flow. So this is all one feature at a time. Designed and built by Abstract Builders, and that's his concrete company right there. He's pumping this. He's provided all the heavy machinery. So we owe a huge amount of appreciation to Brian Sandlin.
Of Abstract.
Of Abstract is right there. He's walking towards us. And he's our conductor of this whole circuit.
So,
we've got guys that came here from Hilo, Volcano, Island-wide.
So there's 3, this is the 3rd load of cement. How many loads do you need to do this whole thing?
We're expecting about 20 loads.
Oh,
20
wow.
trucks.
So you're going to be doing this for a few weeks? Or
a few more months.
A few more months, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And,
so when is...
And we're optimistic to have a finish time of around, October, November, and that's being, with good weather and our hard-working volunteers showing up.
Well, I see that...
For free,
I see that even while you guys are all working, there's people enjoying the old part. Well, not the old, but phase 1. Because I was watching a lot of kids in there going.
And they're all excited about what's coming up. Everybody, the community's really excited about what's to come.
Well, there were a couple hundred views, or 100 and almost 200 views so far on this morning part 1. So I was pretty pleased. Well, I got a couple of thumbs up.
Everybody in the community sharing the post and spreading the word that we're still trying to raise money what we want to do is actually fill the middle of this lot with more skate park.
So you want to have like a phase 3
That's
here.
our goal for phase 3.
I see. Okay. So this is going to be phase 3, but they need money to do that.
Exactly. So.
Well, it's pretty amazing how this works, actually. All the people that are doing, and you're getting some sun, so the weather's cooperating right this moment.
We're always very fortunate. We're always very fortunate. All of our skate days and concrete days have turned out really well. There's showers in the morning, and it's always clear by the time the event starts. So
there's a lot of clouds out there for a little later, so we'll see.
Yeah. The majority of our work's on the ground, so it's a matter of finishing right now.
And so most of the cement will be poured on Saturdays? Is that like when they have...
It's a business day,
yeah.
So yeah. If we were to do it on Sunday, we'd have to pay a little extra to get that guy to come out, understandably. You know?
Of course.
It's a time off.
I'm surprised you don't have any...
to come and walk around closer and get some
Sure.
For everybody in a duty. You got guys that are on the features themselves, and they're really working hard to make that finish turn out nice and smooth.
Now, how many of these guys that are actually doing the work right here also use the skate park?
I'd say 2/3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it makes sense, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah. They're all, in it for the passion of skateboarding. And while some of us may have slowed down on our skateboarding activity, we still support it, and this is what we love doing.
Sure.
And these guys are really good at it. They're the best. All these guys have been involved with each skate park that's been built on the island.
How many are there on this island?
There are at least 6. What's going on?
Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
But yeah, there's one in Pahoa, there's one in Kona, Waikoloa, one here.
Okay.
There's one in Volcano, that's made out of ramps underneath a building. So,
okay.
Quite a few on the island.
Are they all like different, or are they
they're
totally different, individualized?
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't cookie cutter.
Well, it's if you're not into it, you don't know it.
Yeah, yeah. You would think there'd be a standard.
Well, there's
model.
probably some things that are normal.
There are standardized practices of what we're doing. Like we like to add metal into the edges, so when they come up and hit these edges, they're going to have something hard to slide on instead of gripping like concrete.
Okay, and that is good because
it provides a durable sliding surface.
Oh, okay.
So the edge of that corner, that's a steel 20-foot radius, quarter-inch steel. So the thickest steel we could get bent, and nothing's going to last a long time, be nice and slippery, specifically for those types of tricks. Yeah, it's pretty.
So do you have tournaments?
We've had contests here before on the Go Skate Days. So, during a big event, it's easy to hold a contest. And we've actually had a contest on the basketball court.
Oh, okay.
Just doing flat ground.
Okay. Interesting. Yeah, but it's like any sport. Until you're really in it, you don't know the extent of what's involved, what could be involved.
Exactly. So, there's actually a lot of bicycles that are excited about being on this, because it resembles a BMX track.
But do you allow bicycles on this?
We're not going to turn them away.
Okay, all right.
It's not allowed in the official rules of the county, but I'm not going to tell somebody to go home. Yeah, we've been fighting actually for them
to allow it.
Yeah, and why fight? You're not here.
As long as that doesn't ruin the track.
Yeah, exactly. And it won't. It won't. We really want to advocate for stuff like dirt trails.
Yeah. All environmentally sound, right?
Yeah. Well, the kids and parents love it. Everybody's craving that right now. So this is a more permanent fixture.
Yeah, well, this ain't going anywhere, concrete.
Less maintenance.
Yeah, well, it's very low maintenance once you build it.
You got it right.
All right, I'm going to walk over to the part one and show some of the kids and stuff that I'm using it, and also get some views from over there.
Thank you for coming, man.
Oh, my pleasure. My pleasure. Anytime. Do you have some special event or something? Let me know.
We will. We'll have a blessing for you.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Can I go out there with this?
Yeah.
Let's go see some of the kids that are using the first section, the old skate park or the current skate park, and then take a view from there. Everybody anxious for the new one to open? How are ya? It's going. How are you doing? I don't see you on any skates. I don't know. No, I know that he said, Richie just told me that they need 20 total trucks, basically. And this is the third. Third, yeah. Wow. So it's going to be a few months.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's only weekend.
On Saturday. This Sunday, it costs more. Kind of neat.
You want the whole thing? Oh, nice! Is that good? Okay.
Smile, you're on.
Lynn Cam.
Well, actually, how's it Kohala Cam?
Oh, nice.
Live.
There's so many kids today. It's great.
Is this like a normal Saturday? No, more than normal.
I think so.
Well, maybe because of the pouring.
Yeah.
So when done, you're going to be able to go in a full circle.
You know what they're doing in the middle?
In here, that's phase 3.
Okay.
So there's no, from what I heard, that's, funded.
Yeah.
They do want to do that for,
Eventually.
yeah. He said if you watch it online, he said what they want to do.
Oh, okay.
It's above my knowledge. I was interested. He was talking about the metal on the top over there that's bent. It's so thick, it's going to last forever, and it's nice and slippery. You know, for me, that scares me.
Yeah.
I want not slippery. But it's great that as long as people don't get hurt. I guess there's like 6 of these parks on the island. So. Yeah. One in Volcano, Honoka, I believe you said. Hilo. Okay. Oh, you know where they all are, huh?
There's one in Hilo?
I thought that's what he said. Maybe not. I don't know. I know he said Volcano for sure. The weather just, they got lucky because it was, and there's a lot of clouds still. Oh, someone has a drone, I see. Let's zero in and see. So many workers, and they're all volunteering their time. And he said 2/3 of them are into the sport. Do you do it? Skateboard?
I used to,
You
yeah.
used to.
Like now, like I'll just roll around with her. I'll like go and turn and whatever, but I'm not like.
Well, right now you wouldn't be smart to
Yeah.
do it. We're at Roots Skatepark in Kapahau, and they've put 3 truckloads of cement so far down. A lot of volunteers. And of course the kids are utilizing, I don't want to call it the old skate park, but phase 1. Some on bicycles and some on skateboards. Wow. Me, I run the other direction. That's why I play ping pong. Nice and safe. Boy,
Very dangerous. For
yeah,
sure.
especially when they try tricks like that. And if they miss, he could have went flying. And he's not wearing a helmet, right?
Yeah.
I'll be right here. Watch this. Mom, I can't ride because I can't race.
All right, thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to help out Roots Skatepark, you can go to the Kohala Resource Center and donate some money. They'd love it. Thanks for watching. How's it, Kohala? Take care. Aloha.